And we have liftoff. 396 minutes remaining. Speed lapse somewhere in there. I hope it doesn't automatically all of a sudden decide to fail. At that point, try again. What sound does a kitty make? What sound does a kitty make?
What does the cat say?
What sound does a kitty make?
What does the cat say?
What sound does a kitty make?
Meow, 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 meow,
Quiet,
meow.
quiet, quiet.
I
Quiet.
was enjoying
Hey.
myself.
What sound does a kitty make? One more time. What sound does a kitty make? Hey, what sound does a kitty make? Okay, one more time. What sound does a kitty make? Gonna go for this one more time, going after everything that we want to talk about. So one is completely done. Mom suggests I put like some elastic on the bottom here or whatever. As for the second collar, I have two seams. It's gonna look a little different. This top is gonna have a seam. It's gonna have a line there. It's gonna have a line there. But yeah. Pretty just much then telling Mom, yeah, whenever you wanna make the pants, yeah. And then like I said, I'm probably gonna be starting on Waluigi within the cupping coming days. Oh, we got 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Oh,
Hey, look at this.
please, just for me. Please.
Swap
Please.
is for the first time. I'm being guest F by for the first time in her life.
No, please.